Welcome to IMW Club. If you're just starting out on your financial journey or building wealth, then today's video is for you. But fear not, with the right tools and knowledge, anyone can start investing and grow their wealth. In this video, we'll cover the basics of investing and provide you with some tips on how to start building your wealth. Let's start with first step, why invest? Investing allows you to put your money to work for you. This can help you build wealth and achieve your financial goals, like buying home, starting business, or retirement. Additionally, investing can help you beat inflation, which can erode the value of your money over time. What are different types of investments? Some popular types of investments include: Number 1, stocks. Stocks can provide good returns in long-term growth potential, but can also be volatile and risky. Number 2, bonds. Bonds can be from companies or governments and provide regular interest payments, but typically have lower returns than stocks. Number 3, mutual funds. Mutual funds are a type of investment that pools investors' money to invest in a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Number 4, exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but they trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. Number 5, real estate. Real estate investments can provide rental income and appreciation, but it requires a high capital to get started. How to start investing? Now that we've covered some of the types of investments, let's discuss how to start investing. Here are some steps you can take to start building your wealth. Number 1, set your financial goals. Before you start investing, you should have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, or planning for retirement, your goals will help guide your investment strategy. Number 2, determine your risk tolerance. All investments come with some level of risk, but different types of investments carry different levels of risk. Determine your risk tolerance by considering factors such as your age, financial situation, and investment goals. Number 3, start small. You don't need to have a lot of money to start investing. You can start mutual fund investment with as low as 500 rupees to 1000 rupees per month. Let's invest now. Number 4, diversify your portfolio. Diversification is important to manage risk and maximize returns. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to spread out your risk. Investing can be an effective way to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Remember to set your goals, determine your risk tolerance, start small, diversify your portfolio, and keep learning. If you like this video, then like and subscribe. Type comment, invest now, in comment box. Good luck on your investment journey.